Hello traders, Zigzag Man here, and today I'd like to talk about BTZO, Bitzio Incorporated. It trades on the OTCQB marketplace. The company website is Bitzio.com, and to find out more about the stock, I go to the OTCmarkets.com company info page. Here is the home page to their website, and here is the OTC Markets company info page. Bitzio is a young, aggressive company uniquely positioned to capitalize on the fast-growing mobile applications market. Our focus is on smartphone applications, social media, and marketing optimization. We provide an applications network for developers and consumers of mobile applications. We work with those developers to dramatically improve their marketing reach, sales conversions, revenues, and bottom line profits. Our vision is to help connect the world through apps. We envision a mobile community where applications enable people to connect in new and meaningful ways. Welcome to Bitzio. We were founded a short time ago, May 2011 to be exact, and yet lots of things have been accomplished in this short time. The space we occupy, smartphone mobile applications, is a fast-moving one. Combine that with the rate people are connecting by social media and downloading mobile applications. Do you blame us for moving at such a fast pace? When people first asked what we do, we grappled with how to tell the story. But then we realized it's quite simple. We know mobile apps, and we want to help connect the world through apps. We are very good at knowing how to market smartphone mobile applications. We want to work with app developers to market their applications to end users. We want to help them market their apps and monetize them like no other marketing service. So what exactly do? We provide an applications network for developers and consumers of mobile applications, and we work with those developers to dramatically improve their marketing reach, sales conversion, revenues, and bottom line profits. So if you're a mobile applications developer and you want to lower the cost to develop and deploy applications across multiple platforms, improve the marketing reach of those applications as a result, increase the sales and conversion rates of these apps through marketing intelligence and personalized cross-selling and reach, then join us at Bitzio, because this is what we do and what we do best. There are a heck of a lot of apps in the world today. Last count, in late January 2011, there were more than 700,000 apps across iPhones, Android, Windows, Nokia, BlackBerry, and other smaller platforms. More than 14 billion apps have been downloaded. That's a lot of apps. So how do small to medium-sized developers rise above this enormous cluster, get recognized, and get their apps sold to end users? This is what Bitzio does best. And for end users, how do they find the right apps for them? This is also what Bitzio does best. Delivering awesome value to developers. For small to medium-sized developers, our proprietary technology platforms can help lower the cost to develop and deploy applications across multiple platforms. Improve the marketing reach of these applications. Ultimately, increase the sales and conversion rates of these apps through marketing intelligence and personalized cross-selling and reach. Our vision is to help connect the world through apps. We envision a mobile community where apps enable people to connect in new and meaningful ways. Our mission is to be the premier aggregator and marketer of mobile apps to help bridge the gap between consumers and developers of apps. We want to be the company that best understands and satisfies the needs of developers so that they can create apps that matter for consumers. At Bitzio, we believe there is an appification of the world happening. What matters to us is creating a world that allows people to connect with each other seamlessly, with ease and meaning. And Bitzio is a value proposition. Bitzio has a two-pronged approach. Number one, for consumers to help them seamlessly access mobile applications. Number two, for developers to help them successfully market their applications like no other marketing service out there. We believe there is an unmet need, a gap between consumers and developers. At Bitzio, we intend to bridge that gap. We have a seasoned, proven management team that combines old school experience with new school talent, providing the foundation for intelligent and rapid acceleration within the currently exploding market of mobile applications. Bitzio also has a proprietary technology and algorithms for the discovery, creation, and optimization of all types of online marketing. This enables our mobile applications to reach and connect with more users than any other system, regardless of platform. The mobile applications market is experiencing massive growth, with experts predicting that market revenues will increase from $10.2 billion in 2010 to $100 billion by 2015. Although the market has experienced rapid growth in the last 3 years, it is still quite immature in many ways. There are several significant unmet needs for both consumers and developers of applications, especially in the areas of search and share of ratings for consumers, and increasing failure rates in app stores for developers. Bitzio's suite of tools, including its proprietary Magic Bullet and App Star methodologies, are designed to bridge the existing gap. If you'd like to find out more about the board of directors, here is a link to that page on their website where you can read more about Gordon McDougall, the director and CEO, William Schonbrunn, special advisor to the CEO, and Amish Shah, director and EVP of Product Vision. To read the latest press releases from BTZO, I go to Yahoo Finance. And here's a link to that page. Starting at the bottom, back in mid-June, they put out their financials. The third story up from the bottom is BTZO announces their acquisition strategy. They acquire the Empire Group LLC. They complete their second acquisition. Put out some more financials on July the 14th. Another acquisition. They acquire Digispace Solutions LLC. Then on August the 16th, which was just 3 days ago, they put out their latest quarterly report. And if you'd like to hear the CEO Gordon McDougall talk, there is now a audio interview on smallcapvoice.com. I listened to that and it was a very interesting, very enthusiastic CEO talking. It was a real pleasure to listen to him describe his plans for this company's future. Definitely worth listening to and reading some of their news too. Here is a link to the OTCmarkets.com site for all of the SEC filings for this company. And as you can see, starting at the bottom, they had 4 8Ks, a Form 3, which is an initial statement of ownership of shares. I didn't read the SC13G, so I'm not real sure what that is. But on August the 15th, they said they were going to be late on their quarterly report, and the very next day they brought it in. So if you would like to read the financial statements for this company, and you can also find the share structure in there, the current share structure, read the latest 10Q quarterly report. for the period ending June 30th, 2011. Here is the share structure for BTZO. What little information they do give us, either here or on the Yahoo Finance site. Both sites only give us the shares outstanding, which is only 33 million as of June the 14th, 2011. So the float has to be less than 33 million. So this is a, for a 38-cent stock, this is a very reasonable float. The authorized and the float are unknown unless you go in and find them in the latest 10Q, which I have not done, but you're welcome to do so if you wish to. All really I'm interested in is the float, which has to be less than 33 million. So I would call this a very low floater that can probably move rather quickly on any sustained buying pressure. So Radar BTZO, Bitzio Incorporated. Do some research on it this weekend. I'm pretty sure you'll like what you find. They're in a great sector and a booming future ahead for the apps market. It's just kind of a win-win for everybody. The developers, the customers, and the